Hi viewers, this is Limon and you are watching my channel Limon Billions Business. Uh, okay, so if you feel anywhere, if you think that you will be benefited by sharing my thoughts, then please subscribe my channel. Uh, and okay, let's talk. My today's topics is uh, uh, population and currency. Population and currency. That means for today's videos is completely for mainly for the startup businessmen who are interested to start their business. Uh, uh, and My topics is uh, currency and population. What is the relation currency and population for starting a business in a new country? Those are the startup businessman, their thoughts in which country he or she will prefer for uh, start her business or open his or her business in this country. Today I will give you little bit some examples that will make you clear that uh, how or in which procedure if you follow that population and currency issues, after this you can choose your country better way. That means if when you will export your goods, for exporting your goods in garments item to which country you will prefer, that you are the manufacturer or you manufacture the goods, which country you will prefer for shipmenting or selling. Mainly you can also say that which way I focus. Mainly for as a exporter I focus two ways, that population and currency, and also I am sharing to you that why you will focus on population and currency. Like if I give you little bit example for this, on basis of the population, if you focus on India, here is approximately 130 crores population. At the same time I am focusing on the Asiatic country. If you want to expand your business in Asia, not focusing on Europe or America, that Asia has a big market for doing the garments business. From which country those are manufactured the goods? Okay, wait, come to the point. So India has uh, uh, approximately 130 crores. If I focus on Philippines, here is approximately 10 crore population. And also if I focus on Dubai, at the same time Dubai, here is only 30 crore population. So why are you focusing on the population? That means if you have the customer panel, if you have the big customer panel, then if you sell your product in low price, you can sell more products and you will get more profit, and your business has the opportunity to expand it. Other hand I am talking about Dubai. Dubai has only 3 million, sorry, Dubai has only 30 lakhs population, and Nepal at the same time Nepal has only 3 crore population. So also they have the minimum population. So why I will focus this country? I am focusing this country because currency issues. That means if I compare with India and Philippines, if Indian currency vary, that means if one Indian rupee, if I convert it, it could be approximately 1.11 taka. 1.11 taka. That means the value of rupee is comparatively bigger than the taka. Also Filipino peso, if I convert it, that means one Filipino peso, if I convert it, that could be 1.67 BDT or taka. That means by focusing on the currency, when you will get a good margin of profit. Another side, in Nepali rupee, if I focus Nepali rupee, that if one Nepali rupee converted is uh, uh, 1 taka converted In Nepali rupee 0.70 Nepali rupee. That means here is the low. Here is low currency value. Also, I am exporting in Nepal. Why I am focusing on Nepal? Because Nepal has a great opportunity for selling the goods. Because of Nepal focusing in previous stage, Nepal focusing on China. There is the border between China and Nepal. But China and Nepal border is completely closed. There are not any trespass, any trading being done. Also, another thing. Wait. Another thing, Nepal has another opportunity is this. Here is a classic exported goods are very demandable, and you will get high margin of profit. If you study on Nepal market, Nepal showroom or outlets, that in final user how much they pay for your goods. That's why Nepal is not focusing for the population. Nepal is for focusing only for the business opportunity, business atmosphere. Another thing, Philippine I am focusing for the currency difference, on average population difference also. But in Dubai there is only 30 less population. Why I am shipmenting there? Because of in Dubai there has a currency value. That means one Dubai dirham converted it 23 BDT. That means if I focus on Dubai, I will get a good margin of profit. Also, Dubai has a tourism. Mainly all over the world, people are come here. They have only 30 less population. It's not a big deal for us. Us means who we are exporting the goods in Dubai. There has many population also the nearby country, Saudi Arabia, then Abu Dhabi. Those has the border country from Dubai. That means when your goods will shipmented to Dubai, then it is go to the by road on other country like Nepal. That means Nepal has two way for shipmenting the goods. If I say from Bangladesh, two way on air, another one is by road. By road means first it will reach to India, Kolkata. From Patna to Nepal border, it will reach to the Nepali market. That means from Bangladesh, if I focus on Bangladesh manufacturing, from Bangladesh, when we will manufacture the goods in reasonable price, because we are the world renowned manufacturer in Bangladesh. Then if I focus for as a startup businessman, which country I will prefer? That some of the people, some of the businessmen says that I don't have any buyer in USA, I don't have any buyer in Canada because I am not getting the dollars. But I am talking for them that not necessary to getting dollar. But here is in between the Asia, here is big and bigger opportunities for the startup businessman. Then you can regularly sell your product, regular shipment your goods, export your goods in a good profit. That Philippines has a good market. So also Philippines has huge tourist, and Philippines has a population also big population. So you will get a good profit. Also currency difference. No. Another thing I am talking that India why I am focusing on India. That's why I repeat it again. India in initial stage I told you that India has a population is approximately 130 crores. If you are a businessman and you sell one T-shirt, each person is Indian person. That means you have a good opportunity, big opportunity that you can sell approximately 130 crore 30 crore t-shirt you can sell. If you can make minimum margin of profit approximately 5 rupee or 10 rupee, that could be a good profit. So that is the focus that you should focus first for shipmenting or exporting currency difference. That is this country is value from my currency, is that country currency is more valuable than my currency, or is there has a big population that I can expand my business and sell more profit. If you focus on that for a startup businessman, I believe so that you will not make any loss for doing the business or exporting the business. That means for exporting goods, first you should to focus on how much population in this country and what is the currency difference value of this country. So if you focus on two things, that it will make you a good profit and it will make a good business for you. And also I am focusing that, and I am also getting good result by that's why I am sharing it all of my favorite viewers and loving viewers who are subscribed me. Okay, so friends, if you feel that this information is little bit make you beneficiary, then certainly you will subscribe my channel, that Lemon Billions Business. Thank you, bye.